What is a three-dimensional scatter plot? Whether you need good help, a genius writer, a brainy tutor, or a data wizard, Intudo4U has them all. It's like having a research dream team on demand. In this video, you are going to learn step by step how to create 3D scatter and line plots. This isn't just about making a graph. I'll also show you how to make it more attractive, more unique, and more professional than the default styles you usually see. Starting from data in Excel. So let's start with a very simple example. Imagine you already have your data inside Excel. The first thing we do is copy that data. Just select your X, Y, and Z columns, copy them, and then go into Origin software. Once inside Origin, we paste the data into a new worksheet. This is the first step before we start building our 3D graph. Now, from the top menu, I go to the plot options and choose 3D scatter plot. Straight away, you'll see your points appear in 3 dimensions. Then I'll add a 3D line plot, which connects the points and shows how the trend flows through space. So now we have both a scatter and a line plot, but this is only the beginning. Making it attractive and unique. Here's where most people stop, but I want to show you how to make your graph stand out. First, I change the colors to a gradient so that depth is easier to understand. Next, I adjust the viewing angle, because sometimes rotating the graph reveals patterns that were hidden before. I also like to add clear axis titles and a professional font so the graph looks ready for research or presentation. Finally, I increase the resolution so the graph doesn't just look good on screen, it looks great when you export it too. And before we move further, let me just share something important. If you ever feel like you need expert guidance, whether it's in making graphs like this, improving your research writing, or even getting tutoring support, there's a place designed just for you. It's called Intudo4U.com. At Intudo4U, you can connect with the best writers, tutors, and data analysts who are always ready to help you step by step. So, if you're looking to make your academic or professional work easier and more impactful, don't forget to check out Intudo4U. Alright, back to our graph. Another thing that makes your 3D scatter and line plots unique is interaction. Don't just keep it fixed, rotate it during your presentation so people can see the data from different perspectives. This really grabs attention. Also, play with markers and line styles, maybe use circles for scatter points and a smooth curve for the line. These little touches make a huge difference. So, that's how you can start with a simple dataset in Excel, move it into Origin, and create a 3D scatter and line plot that doesn't just show information, it tells a story. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more, and share it with friends who want to learn data visualization. And remember, for deeper learning, expert help, and personalized guidance, visit Intudo4U.com, your partner for writers, tutors, and data analysts. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.